Let's now talk about the equation of linear regression. The equation of linear regression is the same as equation of the line of best fit. But when we find it using technology, it's more accurate than we just drawing it by hand. The equation of the linear regression is mainly written as y is equal to ax plus b. A is the gradient in this case, and b is the y-intercept. But it's very important when we found the equation of linear regression to interpret the values of a and b. What does the value of a means in that context, and what does the value of b means in that context? Let's see in general what does a mean and what does b mean. A is the gradient, so it means the increase in y value for each unit increase in x. Example, if I have an employee salary is modeled against his working hours per month, the value of A, which is the gradient in this case, will be the increase in the employee's salary for each extra working hour he does. For part B, the value of B means, which is the y-intercept, it is the value of y when x is equal to 0. Also, I need to interpret its contextual values in a case. So, for our example, for the monthly salary, the value of B represents the monthly salary that employee will take when he works for 0 hours in that month. This is what it means. So now let's go for an example. For the following data, I have the same data. Part A, we want to find out the equation of linear regression between y and x. Let's find the equation of regression between y and x. I'll do the same thing. I'll go to my calculator. I fill in the lists. They are already filled. List 1 with the values of x and list 2 with the values of y. And I go to calc. I go to reg. I choose x and I choose ax plus b. So the equation of linear regression, I have a to be 13.4 and b to be equals 192. So the equation of linear regression, part A, y is equal to 13.4 x, this is the value of a, 13.4, plus b, which is 192, correct to 3 significant figures. To answer part B of this question, we need to use our equation to estimate the number of cold drinks sold when the midday temperature is 13 Celsius. So simply I have to substitute the 13 Celsius instead of x. So now, the number of cold drinks sold, which are y, is equal to 13.4 times x, which is 13, plus the 192. And this is equal to, I go to run matrix, and this is 13.4 times the x, which is 13, plus the 192. I'll be having to be 360 drinks. So this would be 366 drinks sold.